Today, I'm diving into the 3 biggest mistakes piano students make when practicing the piano. I'm going to share them with you and also dive into the tips and tricks you can use for getting the most out of your practice session. Mistake number 1 is practicing too long. This may seem counterintuitive, but when students, especially younger students, practice too long, it actually can work against them. Here's the sweet spot: 10 to 15 minutes a day. Just 10 to 15 minutes. The shorter focused practice sessions really help keep kids energized when they're practicing. Any longer, it starts to feel like a chore, and when it's a chore, it stops being fun. And then the progress also stops along with it. Shorter practice sessions of 10 to 15 minutes a day are perfect. Mistake number 2 is too much time in between each practice session. It's all about building momentum with piano, and the more you practice this skill, the more natural it feels. So don't let too much time go in between your practice sessions. Aim to practice every other day, 3 to 4 days a week. Something like that is magical. Mistake number 3, not spot practicing. The tendency with a song is to start at the beginning and play all the way through, but what happens is mistakes are not worked through. Every time they play that song, it's a struggle. What I recommend to my students is practicing small sections, 1 to 2 measures at a time, and going over those 3 or 4 times. It gets smooth, then you can move on to the next 1 to 2 measures. Then go back and play the whole line and see how it sounds. After working through each section, students will have a polished piece and they'll feel very proud of their accomplishment. These tips have worked wonders for my students, and I just know that they'll work wonders for you too. Please leave a comment and let me know how these tips have helped you. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.